come up and say hello to you. Okay, it's not funny.
I want to say
Yeah, so your game is so simple. Go to that way. You can see so many front of the go to that way and then take a walk to the island. No, 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 no. It's not. Take it, yeah. Oh, my job.
Friendship.
Don't go, my job. Okay, now we still have the time, so we can say hello to those guys on the tree house. Hello. It's the monkey. Okay, just wait a moment, then we can keep going. Hello. So we go. We can say hello to those guys on the water. Oh, no, wait a moment. Wait 3 more seconds. Yeah, later. 3 more seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello, people. Hello. Yeah. No elephant is talking to us. Very nice. Okay, now look at the front. You can see the elephant family. Okay, you can see the elephant mother or elephant baby. You can see on the left hand side. Be careful. You know, it's the time to get wet. Yeah, that's for you. Get it totally wet. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a baby. It's a monster. Yeah, this one for you.
This one you will get wet.
Yeah. Do you want some cake? Open your mouth and try it. Come on, more. No, don't worry, not like more. Spider. Animal extremely dangerous spider in the world. So that's why I tell you to put your favorite inside the boat.
What is the name of the spider? King Cobra.
Yeah, King Cobra. So don't worry, just be the security for the elephant dog. If you come to the closer look, turn to your left hand side, the last one on the stone, this way. The two compliments fire here to care about you. I don't want to be a fan. Oh, what's that? Oh my god. Oh, we have a big trouble. Can you see so many crocodiles in front of us? Yeah, and you know, it's all waiting for us now to be good. Be careful. Silent. Woo! Never mind. Don't worry, it's a piranha, but don't know how to get it on the road. And don't know you're out of crocodile. It's also looking silent. Go out. Never mind. Leave for me to the dog.
Oh, orangutan?
A monkey. Oh, yeah. And you're going to Western and want to attack us. Be careful, okay? I need the first one, the last one, first one, the last one. No, come on. Don't do that, okay? You don't want to go to the big thing. Please, don't do that again, okay? That's enough. Yeah, if the camp is ethical, you can see over and people as you are. That's right, only good thing. And also, you have the elephant. This way, be careful. And if it's a rat, no, for you. Oh, let me see. Okay. Now, we're here, keep going. You can see the beautiful of the river. It's over 6,000 tons and it has a very serious disease. Get that, go to see the dentist. And the last one, oh come on. Look at the air pollution. It's 30 miles, 50 miles. Now look at those men. Tell them, lots to argue Savannah. Because Savannah always gets their corner in the air. Hey, come on, the company to you, smile. Smile, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Oh, because they always smile at that time. It's a happy guy. Anyway, have a magical day on the tree and follow day forever. Bye. Uh-oh.
Let's shoot together.
Need bad guys. Coming. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, you are the nice guy. Thank you for your kindly culture. I love it so much. Okay, now we go on. Everyone okay?
Whoa, yeah. Volcano.
It was me. I will protect you. Wow.
Whoa.
Don't worry, I know the shortcut. Never mind. Okay, it's the time to see the fire go and the water go. And these are on the right hand side. This one, the black is the fire go. And that one, the big part is the water go. And you know, the fire go is still into the sea. It's coming. It's coming. Good. college. Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Before you click onto the door, everyone please put your whole body inside the phone. Okay, mind your health always. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Hongkong Disney. Bye-bye. Bye.